All right, so we have the weeylite. This is the flat panel one, the 35. This thing is a beast. I have this on my wall here because it's just so nice to just mount it, and then I can use it different colors that are splashing on the wall. I can use it and, you know, have a key light. It's just really nice. It's got the barn doors as well if I need to restrict those lights. It's thin. The arm is just quality. Like, this whole thing is really quality made. It also has batteries, like a battery port, so you can put batteries on there and use this thing without plugging it in. But just plugging it in is really nice, and it works great. Yeah, I have it wall mounted, like I said, and yeah, you can just change to different light tones here. You got the different colors. You also have effects, so you have lighting effects, and then you can use the dials to just navigate through and get the brightness. I like that there's a dedicated brightness one as well, so you can just easily know what you're going for. So, if we wanted to go through different effects. Also, you can attach this thing to a tripod if you need to. The buttons are great. You can also put them on different channels, so you can use the weeylite remote control, or you can use your app to control it, which is awesome. And it is a beautiful, bright light. I love this thing. I think it's so good. I've been using it a lot, and it's held up for at least, I think, 1.5 years now. It's been perfect. So I can highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.
Now, right.